Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, I know. We'll discuss that in an upcoming live. But we're back. It's a beautiful March day and I'm going to be out here on the Weber Kettle. We're going to do a low and slow on one of those butterball turkey breast roasts. Haven't done one in a while and I look forward to eating this a little bit later on today. Let me show you how we're doing it. Alright guys, you can see this is a little 3-pound turkey breast roast. I think it's generally a couple breasts that they've just kind of put together and netted. You can take it off and truss it. Some people just take it off and smoke them. They tend to fall apart when you do that. I'm going to leave the netting on, but what I'm going to do is just kind of loosen it up. That later when we take it off, it won't be as bad. So that's all I'm going to do is just kind of loosen it up on there. Nothing real fancy. We don't do fancy cooks around here. As Big Lou Barbecue would say, we do family cooks around here. Always good. Not always the prettiest thing in the world. And we're just going to hit this up with some of this Heath Rouse garlic butter. I've used this a lot. I use it on steaks. I use it on pork chops. I've never done it on poultry before, so I don't think I have anyway. I know I haven't done it on turkey. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to hit this whole thing up with some of that garlic butter. I believe it's going to be delicious on there. This is a little, thicker cut of meat. So I think you can handle a little extra seasoning. You clearly don't want to overpower it, but it's okay. We will wrap this after I get some smoke on here. I want to just look for, I don't have a specific temperature, I just want to look for the color. When I get the color I want, I'm going to wrap it, add some butter to it, and just let it cook till it's done. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's get this fire built up outside and we'll see you at the pit. Alright guys, I'm getting some good fire over the top there. I'm going to go ahead and dump this and get the grill heated up. Add a little extra charcoal in there just for good measure. Get it right on. Bring this girl up to temp. Okay, let's go ahead and get this guy on here. I'm gonna go a little closer. Come in here with some apple wood. Get a little smoke rolling on here. Gotta have a little smoke on here, right? Alright, we'll check back in a little while just to check on this thing, see what kind of color we got. Hey guys, we're about an hour in. I'm going to check some temps here because I had a heat spike that I was not expecting. And given the color, I might go ahead and wrap this. I want to get some temps on this. Just the old thermal pop. 112, 113, yeah. We are gonna wrap it. Let me get set up here. We should have some smoke in there. But let me get my full pack ready, and we'll come back here in just a second. Alright, I'm suddenly regretting not grabbing the wider foil, but we're going to try to make this work. I just got some pats of butter here. I'm going to do about maybe half a stick on bottom. Maybe a little bit more. Go ahead and bring our roast on here. Set it right on top. We'll put the remaining butter right on top here. I'm gonna have to get some more foil, I think. Sorry. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work. We'll do that. We'll make this work. Alright, get this back on here. I'm going to check back in about 30-40 minutes and just see where we are temp-wise, because now we're just going to bring it up to temp. Need to be up to 165 internal. Hey guys, we are roughly 2 hours into this. I'll turn this around. I have a feeling we're pretty close. Unwrap this a little bit. That's enough. I can see in there. Smells delicious. Let's get a temp or two. We're pretty close. We're 130. I'm gonna keep her going. I might crank the heat up a little bit. 125, 130. We're gonna keep her going. We'll check back in about 20-30 minutes. Alright guys, get a look at this, get some temps. Ooh, yeah. We're gonna pull this, guys, and let her rest. And the rest will take us up past that. Oh yeah. We're there. Guys, let me get this inside. We're gonna let it rest for maybe, I don't know, 20-30 minutes or so. And we'll cut it up and see what it tastes like. Alright guys, we've been resting here about 20 minutes or so. Get this out of here. Let's try this method. It is hot. It's definitely hot. There we go. See if we can't cut this netting off of here. Got these brand new Dial Strong knives. Probably do a review on them soon. Just to show you what I got. I bought them, I paid for them, I owe them nothing, but so far I really like them. Alright. Alright, let's get the slicing here. Beautimous. We weren't on the smoke that long. We got a little bit of a smoke ring there. There we go. That is hot. That is hot. Get it out there, Rogers. Check that out. Plenty of juices there. Guys, let me let Mama get fed. And I'll come back and taste this for you. See what we got. Alright, guys. Smell some of that apple wood on there. Tell you what, it's very tender. I haven't cut it with a fork yet, but I just pulled right apart. The garlic butter from Steve Rouse seasoning. Oh my God, definitely will use that on turkey again. Oh my God, this is a win. It's been a minute since I filmed. I'm sorry, not sorry about that one. So, and yeah, been a few months. We're back. We posted, I don't know if we'll hit it every week, but we're going to get some more videos, get them going. I got some new stuff we're going to bring to the channel as we get going here. And I hope you enjoy it, guys. Thank you as always. I really enjoyed this cook. It's the first sunny day we've had in probably a couple of weeks, so I'm pretty excited to get out there on the Weber Kettle. I'm excited to be back filming for you guys. I've had a few of you reach out to me asking about me. I'm fine, and we've had some stuff going on that I will talk about in an upcoming live feed, so let's look forward to that. So guys, till next time, thank you as always. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. Cheers to you.